Okay, it's Friday, guys, May 15th. Here's going to be our last word work day. I'm not going to post word work for next week. So let's finish it up. Okay, on a happy note. Rhyme recognition, repeat after me. Lock, clock. Okay, we're going to check the onset and the rhyme and see if these rhyme, okay? O, ok, cool, ok. Ok, ok. They have the end sound the same, so they do rhyme. Up, cup. Yep, those rhyme too. Bed, head. Thumbs up, they rhyme. Now, then. Nope. Stare, there. Those rhyme. Good job. Okay, onset fluency. Those are our beginning sounds. Quick, quest, qua. Your turn. Sound, sun, s. Vine, visit, v. Yell, yolk, ya. Zip, zinc, z. Okay, good job. Now we're blending our onset sound and our rhyme. Qua, ick, quick. K, an, can. Ya, el, yell. Wa, in, when. Ha, av, have. Okay, good job. Time for medial sounds, our middle sounds. K, an, a. H, ed, e. W, ish, I. P, op, ah. R, un, Okay, good job. Get those choppers out. Down, down. Tap, to, app. Bed, ed. Lock, ok. Jump, ump. Good job. Almost done. Okay, we're starting with add. Add at the beginning to make add, mad. Start with the part ek. Add p at the beginning to make peck. Start with ill. Add h at the beginning to make hill. Start with ob. Add k at the beginning to make cob. Start with ump. Add j at the beginning to make jump. Good job. Okay, now we're going to be deleting part of our word, okay? We're starting with jam. Take away j. What's left? Am. Start with the word get. Take away g. What's left? Et. Start with the word sip. Take away s. What's left? Ip. Start with the word talk. Take away t. What's left? Ok. Start with the word run. Take away what's left? Un. Okay, last thing, our nursery rhyme. We're doing Wee Willie Winkie. Remember, repeat after me and see if you can say it all by yourself. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs, in his nightgown, tapping at the windows, crying at the locks. Are all the children in their bed? It's past 10 o'clock. Okay, try that one by yourself. That's a tough one. See you later.